Hey man, I'm about to give away over $10,000 worth of studio gear and software. Stick around so you can find out more and how you can enter to win it all. What up, y'all? First and foremost, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of the Wavy Seals Elite, man. Shout out to that growing community of engineers that help each other. We building something super special over there. If you ain't already signed up, make sure you go and find out more about that below. Also, shout out to all the Wavy Seals, man, and anybody else out there who's ever even clicked on the video and watched the video, learned it, maybe even shared it with somebody to help them learn, man. Shout out to y'all, because without you, without your help, without your support, we just wouldn't be here, man. We wouldn't have 100K subscribers, and we damn sure wouldn't be giving away $10,000 worth of studio equipment. So, thank you. Let's get to this video. So that's right, man. I've teamed up with the biggest brands in audio to give away over $10,000 worth of studio equipment. Shout out to our headliner sponsor, Universal Audio, man, because there's gonna be 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 winners for this super amazing giveaway. And guess what? Universal Audio has hooked up all 3 prize packages with a Universal Audio Apollo interface, man. So that's enough for me to enter right there. I'm probably gonna go and drop a couple entries myself and see if I can't win. The giveaway is simple. All you gotta do is click the link down in the description, follow the instructions, and enter as many times as you want to, man. The more entries, the more chances that you got to win. Let's go ahead and check out the prize packages. Let me break down exactly what the first place winner gonna win, the second place winner gonna win, and the third place gonna win. So let's start off with the third place. So for the third place winner, the first prize from Universal Audio is gonna be an Apollo Solo, that brand new interface, man. And you know that the Apollo interface is a fire. I got mine right here, right there. Look, it's so pretty, so pretty. You're gonna get a 1-year subscription to Auto-Tune Unlimited. That means you get every single Auto-Tune plugin that there is for 1 year, whole subscription for the free ski. We got Baby Audio giving their all plugins bundle. So for third place, you're gonna win every single plugin from Baby Audio. Shout out to Baby Audio for hooking that up for sure. And that ain't all for the third place winner. You also gonna receive a free Soundstripe subscription. Super dope. I use Soundstripe for all of my background music when I'm making like vlogs and stuff like that, and sound effects that I be adding in sometimes. I get all this stuff from Soundstripe. So these subscriptions are definitely gonna help you content creators out. All for the third place winner. Shoo, I wonder what the second place gonna get, man. Well, you ain't gotta wonder too long. Here we go. From Universal Audio, the second place winner is gonna receive an Apollo Twin X. Come on, man, it keep getting even better. So third place get a Solo, the second place get Apollo Twin X. What the first place is gonna get? We gonna get there. We are gonna get there, all right? And Adam Audio has even jumped in for that second place prize package. If you win second place, you are gonna get hooked up with a set of Adam Audio T7V. Antares is gonna hook you up with not 1, but 2 years of Auto-Tune Unlimited subscription for 2 years. That's every Auto-Tune plugin for 2 years for the free ski, bruh. Baby Audio is also gonna hook our second place winner up with their all plugin package. You'll also be hooked up with a standard Soundstripe subscriptions. And did I also mention that if you win either third place or second place, you're gonna get a whole year subscription for the Wavy Seals Elite, and you're gonna get a 3 template bundle package. You can go pick any 3 templates that you want, bundle them joints up, and you get them too. Oh man, so for first place, man, we gonna need some drum rolls up in here. Universal Audio is hooking the first place winner up, man. You getting hooked up with an Apollo X4 audio interface. That's the same one that Wayne from YouTube uses. That's a fact, man. You getting a really powerful audio interface, man, in first place. Shout out to Universal Audio for hooking us up all across the board. Also for the first place, AKG has thrown in some dope stuff, man. You're gonna get an AKG 214 and some dope AKG headphones, man. I can't wait to try them mugs out myself, but you know that 214 is a nice mic. The first place, of course, you're gonna get that Baby Audio all plug-in subscription, and Antares is gonna throw in not 1, not 2, but 3 years of the premium unlimited auto-tune subscription. I probably said that all wrong. Auto-tune unlimited subscription. You're gonna get 3 years of that, man. 3 years. Adam Audio ain't leave us hanging for the first place. Adam Audio then provided a pair of T8V studio monitors for the first place winner, man. So y'all are gonna have superior front end. You're gonna have some superior sound reproduction. You're gonna be up in the studio going crazy. This is gonna be a major upgrade for somebody's studio. What else do we got on this list? The first place winner is also gonna get your very own license to iZotope Ozone 9. Man, some super powerful tools to mastering and mixing is really something I use all the time, low key though. I don't never tell y'all, but I be using that joint. Soundstripe is also gonna hook the first place winner up with some merch and a premium subscription. And of course, we got Sweetwater, baby. My favorite place to order gear online. Sweetwater is gonna give a $100 gift certificate so you can get all the extra little accessories you might need, maybe some cables, maybe a mic stand, all this little stuff that you're gonna need for all your new gear. Sweetwater is gonna hook you up. Alright y'all, so the contest opens up today, October 1st, and ends on the very last day of October, October 31st. Make sure that you enter as many times as you can by going down to the description below, sharing this with a friend. Click that link down in the description. That's how you're gonna get in and you're gonna find out all of the different rules from there, man, alright? Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for helping to grow Wayne.wav to 100K plus. I can't wait till we get 1 million subscribers, man. I'm thinking maybe $100,000 giveaway for that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to the sponsors about that one. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. But more importantly, make sure you enter this giveaway, man, so that we can bring this $10,000 to your studio. Let's get it.